Okay, so a friend came pick me up, and after a car ride and sitting across from him on the computer a few times, I get told, "Did you tell her that we have COVID?" So I'm pretty sure I have COVID, and I just wanted to do a documentary every day so that I don't know. It's kind of like a scary thing. I'm really scared. I don't feel sick. I mean, yesterday I thought that like my throat was scratchy, but I think that was just paranoia. So I mean, I can still taste things. I can still all that good stuff. So this is day one. I think this is the first. This is October 1st, day one of COVID.